Yes, what up, world? It's me, your boy Divine D. Yes, we are back. Yeah, we back, y'all. It's Monday. Yeah, we back for another early bird session where I come to you each and every morning, 6 a.m., helping you control your energy so you can control your life. Good morning, my people. Another great day to be alive. Yo, I'm in Florida. Yo, we in Orlando, Florida right now, but you know what? The news on over there, y'all see the news on, but I ain't getting no PSAs that guys start making mistakes. So stop waking up like you woke up by one. Wake up with some intention, purpose, and understand that you, the one that's watching you, got some tremendous value. Yo, now it's time to get up. It's time to get out. It's time to get something, y'all. So good morning. I see Miami's in the building. What's up, Miami? The world is watching. I see you. Good morning to you as well. And remember, no matter if you're new here on Facebook or YouTube, make sure that you leave some comments in the comment section. Don't be just sitting in the background just watching and waiting and looking. Yo, let the world know that you're here. Say good morning. Say what's up. Yo, give us a quote, one that you made up or one that you heard before. It don't matter. Let the world know that you're here. Remember, because the world is watching. We just got to give them something to see. Yo, good morning, y'all. Today we're going to talk a little bit. Yo, today is Monday, so we still got Maddie coming. She going to get us toned at home. Yo, today our subject is, you don't got to be the best, just be the one. Don't gotta be the best, just be the one. We're gonna talk a little bit more about that in a minute. We're gonna play a couple music videos to get us in the mood, to get us our mind opened up and ready for our day. Remember, we're gonna make today count. Remember, today don't care about yesterday. It don't matter what happened yesterday, last week, last month, or last year, this weekend for your friends. It don't matter what happened last week. It's gonna matter what you're gonna do with yourself today. How you gonna make today make the rest of your life be the best of your life? What you gonna do today that, you know what, just get a step up on that elevator, that escalator towards your goals and your dreams. Come on, y'all. Y'all know we only get one of these lives, and we gotta make sure that we living it to the fullest, right? So each and every day, y'all, each and every day is a day to make sure that we are doing things to add to our greatness, to add to our growth, to add to our wisdom, to add to our mind. You know what? Because we ain't looking out the window no more. We started to look in the mirror. Yeah, we ain't worried about what everybody else doing and what they got and what they own. Yo, it's only about what we own, what you own. What you gonna do today? How you gonna make today count? How you gonna make today, iconic as it can be? Just because it's Monday, what you mean? You just gotta chill for the day or just hurry up to get past it so you can get back to the weekend? Listen, when you living life on your terms, each and every day is a day to make sure that, you living the way you want to live, and you're doing the things that, that pushes you and moves you. So good morning to all my people, y'all. We're going to get this show started. We're going to get into our first video this morning. Yeah, life is hard by my boy Q. Yo, old video, but you know what? We're gonna go ahead and rock him out today, man, because it all still got some relevancy in our lives today. You know what? Just because life is hard, God still got a plan for you. So we're going to let Q tell you about the rest of that. Good morning to my early birds. The world is watching. I'll see y'all back here in a minute.
The world is watching. Shh, y'all be quiet. The show about to come on. Yeah, young CEO.
It's cute, man. I got a story to tell, I mean, there's a lot of artists who say they put their life on these beats. Man, I'ma show them what it's about. Look, I can't explain how I'm out of feel, and how I'm out to see with a vision full of deceit, a heart full of regret, a head full of painful memories. That's all that's left of me besides my music and my dignity. I wake up every morning hoping it's all a dream. I smile in front of cameras, but it ain't good as it seems. And it's crazy, cause people think they know my situation, but it's more than music, people. It's my life and renovation. They say life is what you make it, but I beg to disagree, cause if it was the only role model I had, wouldn't be deceased. I threw my faith in the trash. I recycle my beliefs to create a better me, so I can get up out the streets. Had a pocket full of stones, hustling out in the rain. I don't speak, cause if I do, they probably think I'm insane. So I look up to the sky, hold my head and keep praying, cause in the back of my mind I know that God's got a plan. And I'm saying, life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me. Life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the the end for me. I know God had a plan for me, for me. Listen, I walk through this valley of murder with no compass to lead me to that altar that shows me a better purpose. Imagine mama working 2 jobs to survive, and every time you step outside it's a better chance you could die. Damn, so I hold my heat and pitch my work up at the course. Daddy ball like Robert Horry, but he wasn't no support. Mama boyfriend used to be the trip from the doctor and back. The whole family gave up on us cause she always took them back, and it's crazy. Walk a block in my sneakers, this is life for me. Skip school to hit the track to get them J's mama come by for me. I hope for a better way, I know it is, it gotta be. I look up to the sky, but I don't see nobody watching me. Bullets flying, a reaper taking shots at me. Look into my face, what you see besides acne? Fresh out of the womb, instantly became a man. But still I hold my head, cause I know God's got a plan. And I'm saying, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me. Life is hard, I know, believe me, I know. And the harder I go, they gon' hate me, but that's okay. When I thought it was the end for me, I knew God had a plan for me, for me.
Hey, man. Nation. Don't give a fuck, cause in this moment I got shit on my mind. Just to test a nigga hard, I put that bait on the line. Tryna level balance out, I meditate all the time. Learn my lesson, turn my blessings into one of a kind. I'm gon' stand up face to face to anything in my way. Mama told me never let my feelings get in the way. I'm waking up like how the hell can I get better today? I gave myself that confirmation, boy you already great. I'm undefeated, I feel the genius inside me alive. Took a minute, rewire vision, I finally arrived. You can feel it in every lyric I speak in my rhymes. No competition, I'm totally different, you fully advised. Heavy on the grind, working my relationships to even out the odds. Stacking up the money, put some people on the job. Heard some people sleeping, so I'm turning up the knob. I am just another living version of a god, taking care of my body so it fully get to thrive. I've been traumatized, I've been ill-advised. I can't sympathize once I emphasize I'm undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap, in fact you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated. I feel that Holy Ghost inside me, they admire my glow. I told myself to get back up when I got down on my low. I told myself that I won't let these people snatch out my soul. I told my dog ain't tell him shit because he already know. And I'm on my savage to strip to Paris, my arrogant flow. And I got that Frankie Lucas Montana, that heroin dope. Never want you to confuse it, my music just therapeutic. Oh, I meant therapeutic. I'm in that coupe, the new 6. I'm with my queen and my kids. I need them much as my ribs. I must invest in my shield. I'm like the best in my field. They lack the patience, be still. I'm activated, I'm going ape in that gym. You look inside, it's that gym. Don't be afraid of that shit. Let no one tamper with it. I got control of all my demons. I've been king ever since. I'm on a totally different frequency. It's too evident. I'm in a new element. I'm on some you ain't legit. On another level, hungrier than ever, like I'm locked into the cellar. Never question God, I know he working for the better. Got him where I want him, ain't no letting off the pedal, undefeated. This shit is deeper than a rap, in fact you gotta know the meaning. Misunderstood, hope you ready when I come undefeated. I took some blows, got back up and told them demons undefeated. Every time they count me out, I come back harder undefeated.
Remember on the slip drive.
cause up every day admire my glow. I tell myself to get back up. Hey man, that's my record, y'all. My bad. I'm just rapping a little bit. My bad, y'all. Good morning, y'all. Good morning to my early birds. Yo, man, great videos about my boy Q. Life is hard because we know it is, but God always got a plan for you. Absolutely, God always got a plan for you. Follow the plan, the blueprint. Yo, and my boy Ace Hood were undefeated because you know what? We know a lot of people that didn't make it, but you did. You made it here today. You woke up. Yeah, you listening to this or you watching this or whatever you doing, but you made it. And we know a lot of people who didn't make it. So you know what? We got to understand that, you know what, it's a blessing to be here, but now we got to make sure that we're using this time efficiently, making sure that we're building the life and legacy that we are always, you know what, had in our mind and had in our hearts. Yo, it's time to start legacy building, y'all. Yep, that's what time it is right now. So good morning to you guys again. Yo, I hope all is well with you guys, and if it's not, y'all remember what we do just in case it's not, right? Y'all know what we do, y'all. Y'all, we hit Control, Alt, and Delete. Y'all know it, Control, Alt, Delete. Y'all know what it is, y'all. If y'all don't know about it, let me tell you about it. Control, Alt, Delete. Control, yes, you have to be in control. Control your environments. If the environments you in are not conducive to your growth, you need to remove yourself. Yeah, get up out of there. Yeah, don't stay in places that you don't belong, yo. You can't control everybody, everything, or every situation, but you can control you. So let's make sure that you're not placing yourself in environments that just ain't right for you, that ain't good for you no more, that even the ones that you have outgrown. Yo, it's time to make sure that you protect your energy. And to do that, sometimes you gotta hit that Alt key. Yeah, choose some different alternatives. Especially if the things you're doing right now are not working or getting you there fast enough, you better do something different. Yo, I tell you guys each and every day that success is a blueprint. Failure is a pattern. And you gotta watch the patterns of your life and make sure that you're following the blueprint towards your success, y'all. Yeah, that takes some, you know, self-determination. That takes some self-discipline and some other things. And sometimes, you know what, unfortunate but necessary, sometimes we gotta hit that delete key. Yeah, we gotta hit that delete key. We gotta delete the bad situations, relationships, and sometimes even people. I don't care who it is, what it is, or how it is. I don't care if it, that, or they ain't good for you. Get them up out of there. And I don't care if you're laying next to him or her or not. It don't matter. If it ain't good for you, if the situation ain't good for you, if the relationship ain't good for you, if the environment ain't good for you, if it's just all bad, you know what? Delete it out your life. Stop taking garbage with you on your journey. Yo, let's make your journey a little bit lighter and let's delete all the bad stuff. Let's delete the garbage. And you know what? Just like them old computers from back in the day, y'all remember them PCs, right? When you hit Control Alt Delete, you know, the whole computer will refresh and reboot. Yep. When your computer start acting up, freezing up, not doing what it's supposed to do, you hit Control Alt Delete, right? So that's what sometimes what we need to do in our life. When our life is acting up, freezing up, not doing what it's supposed to do, yeah, you got to hit the Control Alt Delete to get a refresh or reboot on your life, and we can begin to operate the way we are designed to operate. Good morning, my people. How y'all doing this morning? Man, I'm glad to see you guys here. Glad to see my early birds checking in. Yeah, it's time to get up, get out, get something. It's time to do something with our life. It's time to do more with our time that we're gonna make today. You know what, productive, and we're gonna make it. Intentional, and we're gonna achieve some things today, y'all. So make sure you make your to-do list. Yep, your to-do list. Things that not the responsibility list, not the I gotta take out the garbage or wash the dishes or nothing like that. Not that list. We talking about the list that's designed just for you, your goals, your business, your financial literacy, your personal growth, your mental growth, whatever the case may be. Yo, make sure you make that to-do list of things that that you just gonna focus on you on. So what if somebody call you selfish, full of yourself, arrogant, whatever the case may be? Listen, this is work that you need to do for you. You do everything for everybody else. You upholding all their promises. When somebody asks you to do this or come over here or borrow them that, you always uphold the promises to everybody else. So uphold the promises to yourself. You are the most important person on this planet. Why? Because you know what? You are the one that's going to help us, ours, and others. Your friends, your family, your kids, your parents, or anybody that's around you that look up to you, that's part of your energy. Yo, we got work to do. So you know what? Each and every day is a day to make sure that we working towards that and going for that, y'all. So yeah, that's what we doing. We got one more music video for y'all today. And then we're going to call up Maddie. Let's see if she's ready to get us toned at home. Yeah, you don't need no specialized equipment. And guess what? You ain't got to wear no mask. You ain't got to wear no mask because you ain't got to go to the gym. You can do it right in your living room, right in, you know what, your hotel or your Airbnb that, you know, that I'm sitting in right now. My leg's still broke, but that's another story. But wherever you are in your house, like I say, all you need is a little space. You don't need no specialized equipment. All you need is 10 minutes. 10 minutes for you. And I know you got 10 minutes. It's 24 hours in a day. 6 of them gone already. So what you going to do with the next 18? You can't find 10 minutes in the next 18 hours for you. You ought to be ashamed of yourself. But I know you're going to find that time. So you know what? Why not with us this morning as we get our mind together? Maddie going to help get our body together so our souls can be right. So, yeah, after this video, we're going to call her up, get toned at home, and then we're going to talk a little bit. Subject today is, you don't got to be the best, just be the one. You ain't got to be the best, just be the one. I see Dr. Killings checking in all the way from Las Vegas. What's going on, Dr. Killings? Awesome Monday, awesome morning. Thank you for logging in, Doc. All right, we're going to get into this next video, then we're going to get with Maddie, get toned at home, and then we're going to talk a little bit, y'all. Remember, don't got to be the best, just be the one. So we're going to talk about more of that in a minute, and we'll be back. Holla at y'all in a minute. Good morning, early birds. The world is watching.
You know, you know, you know, you know.
I'm the king.
Yo, back with that new to tell you where I come from. Sing a song so I could never be unsung. They think I'm on some being fair weather. It's just my unsum. But don't care whether you shake your tail feathers or your pom-poms. Razor sharp, nigga, bong bong. It's a bad time to be an MC if you ain't rhyming right. I spit that China white, nigga, call it Hong Kong. Hit the city to see one of my schoolmates. Making 6 figures, but she still got a roommate. Just to have a downtown apartment and some outfits. And you asking why I never leave the South? Shit. Take some time to dream. Peace of mind's a delightful thing. This is the life of kings.
And we got it.
Yes, sir. Hey.
Hey, that's a cut. So we're gonna have to set up for Crit next. I've missed his flight, so that's kind of, you know, where we're at. We're just gonna have to go straight to Crit.
I know the verse.
Ma, I ain't putting you in no video. Ma, no. Just no.
But I know the verse. Real talk, I know the verse.
I'm the king.
Yo, people be confused how I move with the utmost respect, and yet I get my due. And true, I got nothing to prove, could be my new objective. Let's not object to truth. On days like these, I count my blessings and say my dreams out loud when I wake up. The voice up inside of my head telling Ev, let's get on the day and out of this bed. Kissed my mother, gave my daughter a pound. Then she hugged me, then she turned around. In my time, the life of a king is undefinable. The closest we might get is pressed up to the vinyl though. Shit, take some time to dream. Peace of mind's a delightful thing. This is the life of kings.
Yeah, Big Crit shot. Now some consider me a tyrant, cause I'd rather push chariots, dodging them sirens. Trunk beating like violence, searching for me a vibrant thing. More concerned with what books I read than what side I claim. Got a vision to be veteran, with a future brighter than a writer deciphering light by time of citizen. Plus you remind me of a derelict, relishing on relishments. Too busy throwing rocks at my throne to find a cheddar sip. I'm the type of king you probably see Coretta with. Country bred, country raised and intelligent. Rosebud lifestyle and yours is peddlers. The hand of God and mine you shouldn't meddle with. My reign's benevolent. Ever since I fell out the womb I was destined to conquer melodies. So take some time to dream. Peace of mind's a delightful thing. This is the life of kings.
Big Crit. EV.
This is the life of kings.
And new tickle, new tickle, new tickle, new tickle, new tickle, new tickle. This is the life of kings. Feel good. Good like oxtails from Lee's Kitchen, nigga. Yeah.
I'm the king.
Okay, here we go. Yo, that's my people, little brother with life as a king. Hey, you are all queens and kings out here. We just got to make sure we living up to that and living like that. Hey, y'all, you know what time it is. It's time to get toned at home with Maddie. We're going to give her a call, y'all. We're going to give Victory Life Hacks a call and see if our life can get hacked this morning with a 10-minute online workout. All right, let's give her a call. Let's see. Maddie. Maddie! What's going on, Maddie?
Hey, good morning, Birds. What's good, Devontae?
Hey, everything is well, Maddie. Hey, I'm out here in Florida. You know what? This nice Airbnb. We got a jacuzzi tub over here. You know, just be able to kick my little leg up, you know? Just living a little.
Hey, don't keep the little boot up too high. I don't want to get stuck right there.
My boot got stuck on a chair yesterday, and I was dragging the chair all through the restaurant. Man, it was just crazy. It was just crazy. This boot, I'm ready to take this thing off. I can't wait.
Well, looks like you're out there making some big moves. Keep going, man. Keep pressing. Let's get it.
Absolutely. Thank you. A lot of hard work. It's a lot of hard work, though. But hey,
live today. Let's get it.
Right. Say, all right. So, you got what you got for us today?
Man, you know, you guys. Hi, I'm Maddie with Victory Life Hacks. You can find me at www.victorylifehacks.com for online personal training. Making it happen, you guys, from wherever you're at, wherever you travel to. Hey, you know, like Devon is, he out there traveling, so make it happen anywhere because it's online, which is awesome, you guys. So go ahead, visit victorylifehacks.com and sign up for those personal training options. There's also group training options as well. And not to mention some of the fun boot camps. So I'll see you guys again this Saturday at Maddie Booty Camp. Woo woo, kick it off October. All right, and I'll see you this week too at Live at 6. So let's get started. As you can tell, I have nothing in my hands today, so we're using full body activation. And we're gonna go ahead and start there. This is where I want. Go ahead and start with a jog. Let's make our 10 minutes count. Remember, everyone has 10 minutes, and 10 minutes take care of your body. There you go. So you may have started off like this, right? Because you're just waking up. Then as you keep going, lift those knees up, quicken that pace. There you go. Nice. All right. Now we're gonna go ahead and change it up. Are you ready? All right, so here we go. And pressing down and up. Nice. And as you are going ahead and pressing down and you're dropping down, go ahead and let your legs extend. Feel that stretch in your inner thighs. Keep your breathing rate together. All right, that is awesome. Go ahead and switch it up with me. Here we go. Next, we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna run it like this, and then stop. There you go. Nice. There we are. Hit that pause with me. Make sure you're breathing and not holding your breath. All right, go ahead and pause right there for me. Nice, and what I want you to do next, bring your hands in front of you, send them out, and tilt slightly down. There you go. We're gonna use gravity. All right, with those hands out to your side. Nice. Breathe out. Go to the back again. Waking up those shoulders. There we go. Make sure you do not hunch like this when you're raising your shoulders back. Keep your shoulders nice and dry. All right. All right, feel it in your back. Keep it going. Get that all activated. All right, drop those shoulders down just a little bit. Drop your arms down just a little bit and lift a little bit up. There you go. Now we lift a little bit higher, dropping those shoulders together in the back. Good. Feel that in your back? Oh yeah, they're waking up. Waking up that back, get that activation. Standing straight up. Awesome. Woo! Here we go. Now I want you to raise those hands above your head. Reach, reach, reach for the filling. All right, next, go ahead, and this is how you're gonna bring your hands down. It's not you doing it with your arms. Let your back do the work. So you're gonna go ahead and make sure you're squeezing the back right in here. Go ahead and imagine pinching your shoulder blades together. And that's what's gonna drive these arms down. Ready? Go ahead. Nice. Feels so funny, doesn't it? You're like, I can bring my hands down just by pulling my back together, my shoulder blades together. Yes, you can. There you go. Keep it right there, you guys. Remember, we all have 10 minutes. We make these 10 minutes count. Woo! All right, there we go. Finishing with the last squeeze. Let's get ready. We're gonna bring our hands to our sides, right here. Yes. And I want you to also go ahead, palms go back. Bring those arms in alignment with where your shoulders are at, right? And then bring them back just a little bit. Raise that chest. Here we go. Press up to the ceiling. Raise the roof. Woo! Raise the roof, you guys. Yes, on this Monday morning, raise that roof. Nice. And you're actually pushing that. Yeah, you're right. You're pushing your arms up. There you go. There you go. Raise the roof. It's a party up in here. All right, bring those arms down to your side. Awesome, you guys. Next, I want you to go ahead, hands to your side. Go ahead and clap them to the front. That's it right there. And clap them to the front. There you go. You can round the shoulders. I do want you to round them and bring them around. So they're like this. That's perfect. That is it. Go ahead and do so. Good. Get those shoulders nice and warm for today. Get that back engaged. We are ready. All right, all right. Bring it to the back again. There you go. Rolling it back. All right, get ready to pick up the pace. Let's go. Toes up. Knees up. Let's get it. All right, bring them up higher. Come on. Come on, you guys. Bring them up higher. Let's go. All right, all right, all right. Here we go. Hit that jumping jack. All right, it's jumping into the squat. Let's get it. Ooh, yes. Let's finish this off nice and strong, you guys. Go. Landing on those toes, activate those calves. All right, hit it with a pause for me. Ready? Alternating legs with the pause. Finish strong, you guys. Let's make it happen. Ready? Go. Good. Nice, yo. Woo! Almost there. Yes, we made it, y'all. We made our 10 minutes count. Woo! Each and every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Man, what's good, Devontae?
What's going on, Maddie? Yep, 10 minutes. That's all it took, man. Everybody got 10 minutes, right? You look tired. You look tired. I can't wait to get out this booth so I can rejoin. Hey, man, what you got coming up this week, Maddie?
Yes, you guys, like I said, join me live at 6. Go ahead and sign up at victorylifehack.com for online personal training. Get in there. Live at 6 is that group training, or if you want that individual help, sign up for online personal training as well. If you would like for me to travel to you in person, you know, and I will say, look, I see his face. No, you have to pay for the plane ticket, you know.
She will travel. Just make sure them arrangements is made, right?
Yes, you pay for traffic. But yes, that's what you like as well. Go ahead, hit me up. Let's talk, have a conversation. Hit me up for Maddie Booty Camp or making it happen this weekend.
All right.
All right.
All right, thank you, Maddie. Yo, she got us toned at home. Yo, she gets us toned at home every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So make sure you log on. It's only 10 minutes. Everybody got 10 minutes for themselves. 10 minutes, y'all, just to get your body together as we get our mind together every day, y'all. So thank you again, Maddie. And you know what? Go to www.victorylifehacks.com. Subscribe, learn more about her and everything that she got going on. Make sure we support her, y'all. All right? The world is watching. All right, Maddie. We see you on Wednesday.
I'll see y'all later. Bye-bye.
All right. Yo, now we talking about, y'all know what time it is, right? It's time to talk about our subject for today. Today our subject is, you don't got to be the best, just be the one. Don't got to be the best, just be the one. And what I mean by that is this. As you start your day to day, no matter what you're getting up for this morning, whether you got to get up and go to work, whether you're getting the kids ready for school or online school in the living room or in the bedrooms, or whether you got to get to Walmart for they still all the tissue or something. Whatever you getting up for this morning, yo, like I say, it's really, really important to make sure that we think about different aspects of our life, different things that we've been through, different things that we're going through, and making sure that we, you know what, plan and create the blueprint to make sure that we get to the other side. Remember, you got to get through things. You can't get to things and stop, because then you never get through them. Yo, we got to put everything in the rear view. We got to put everything behind us. So we got to make sure that we taking the steps. We got to take the steps that need to be taken. We got to follow the process and make sure that we get through things. Let's get to the other side of it. But today we're going to talk about, like I say, you know what, you don't got to be the best. You just need to be the one. And where that goes is with this is that sometimes we look at a lot of people and their talents and their gifts, and you know what, sometimes people are just better at certain things. That's just what it is. Some people have a natural ability, or some people practice and make their way into, you know, that they're good, you know, to closest to perfection as they can. Yo, but there's still a difference, and there's still, you know what, that's not the entire recipe to success. There's still things that have to go with that. And what I mean by you don't have to be the best, just be the one is, you know what, sometimes even the person who's doing the best don't go after and fulfills it in totality. So you don't got to be perfect at it. You don't got to be the best at it. You just got to be the one that went all the way through. You got to just be the one that says, you know what, I don't care what it's going to take to get there, that I'm willing to inconvenience my life that I got right now for the life that I want. You don't got to be the best. You just got to be the one. You ain't got to know everything all at once. You ain't got to be the smartest person in the room. You ain't got to be the best. You don't got to be that person. You just got to be the one with the desire, with the determination, with the, you know what, the 1%. That's what the 1% have that the rest of the 99% don't. Is that they say, you know what, I'm willing to do whatever it takes to get there. I'm willing to do whatever it takes to, you know what, put my life in divine order so God can start blessing me. You ain't got to be the best. You just got to be the one. What decision you going to make for your life? You know what? If when you hear this, it would make you cringe and makes you be like, well, or or are you soaking it up, saying, you know what? Let me learn something. Let me figure it out. Let me see how this applies to my life, and you know what things more I can do for myself to make my life better than what it has been, or to accelerate the pace in which it's going. Yo, what are you doing each and every day to make sure that happens? Yo, listen, you ain't gotta like me. I'm just dedicated to the transformation of my people, and you know what? Whatever it's gonna take for you to win, that's what I want you to do. I just want you to win. So, yo, if you're looking for more information, listen, we have restarted our coaching program due to post COVID for us. So, you know what, we have restarted our personal coaching programs. We have restarted some of the conferences we're gonna be doing, because you know what, I'm not gonna keep waiting on the government. You know what, we ain't gonna keep waiting on the world to just say, you know what, I just want the ones who got that desire, who want to go after it and go get it. And that's what this is designed for. So if you out there, you watching this, you listen to this, hopefully you hear something that was inspirational, motivational, or just information. Don't matter. Just take it and go win with it. Yo, so that's what it's about. You ain't got to be the best. Just be the one. Just be the one that does it. Yo, I've seen a lot of people, even in my music career, that I see a lot of talented artists, talented singers. And you know what? Sometimes you hear them, you're like, oh man, they're going to kill a game. But sometimes they don't have everything else that it takes to actually make it into the game. So you know what? You ain't got to be the best. Just be the one that makes it. Be the one that says, you know what? I'm not afraid to compete. Listen, Mike Tyson even said, you know what? Everybody wanted to be him, but you know what? Everybody got a plan until they get hit in the face. Yo, we gonna get hit in the face, but the only way to win the fight is to keep swinging. Quote Mike Tyson. So, yo, just keep swinging at life. Keep swinging at these obstacles. Keep swinging. You ain't got to be the best. Just be the one that never stops. Be the one that never gave up. Just be the one. You ain't got to be the best. Just be the one. So that's my message for y'all today. Whatever you getting up for today, whatever you doing, whatever you going for, yo, I got to hit a plane. You know what? I got to get back to the mill. You know what I mean? And continue to grind, y'all. So, yo, y'all see it each and every day. Y'all hear it each and every day right here on the Early Bird Show with me. Yo, and like I say, you know what? If you heard anything that helped or that was any beneficial or made any sense, just, you know what? I don't actually offer no money or nothing, so just share the video. Just share the video with somebody else that may need to hear this message and understand that they don't got to be the best. They just got to be the one. So just share this video. That's all I ask. I thank y'all for logging on each and every day. Yo, the early bird get the worm, early grinders get the money. Yo, and we get up each and every morning, 6 o'clock. Yo, you know what? Just helping you control your energy so you can control your life. Remember, I'm just here trying to be a little fertilizer for your seed, because you are meant to grow, be great, and provide fruit on this planet. But you know what? Most seeds, all seeds start in the dirt, right? They start in the dirt. And sometimes we got caught up in the dirt. And I'm saying, hey, continue to grow, because you come out the dirt and then you let your light shine, and the world will see how strong and how brilliant, how talented, and how beautiful you are, because you are worth it. Don't let nobody else tell you nothing different, y'all. So shout out to you. Shout out to you in the elevation of your life. And let's make today count, y'all. Let's not just waste this money. It's a beautiful money. You live life on your terms. Remember, don't ask God to order your footsteps if you ain't willing to move your feet. Get up, let's get out, and let's get something, y'all. The world is watching. Make sure y'all go to my website, devon-d.com. Yo, I got my free book up. Yo, DNA, Declarations and Affirmations, 21 Ways to Reclaim the Power You Were Born With. Go get the book. Or go to realfashionstatements.com and get you some gear. Yo, all of our gear is now printed with Champion Apparel. So you know what? Discover your champion. Get you some gear. Get you some 7 and 6. Get you some World is Watching, legal money. Yo, make sure you go shop with me. I appreciate you guys for logging on, and I'll see you guys in a minute. I'm going to catch this flight. The world is watching. Peace. Good morning, my early birds. Thank y'all again.